in 3, 2, 1!
Mapamangha ka at napakagaling ng gumawa ng wax figure ni Ann Cortez. Napapawaw ang lahat ng pagbukas ng pulang tilon ay
Our first look at Ann Cortez's wax figure. Thank you so much, Bo.
kuhang-kuha talaga ang katawan at mukha ni Ann Cortez na para bang magkambal silang dalawa. Pati ang smile nito.
I wanted something that would be timeless and elegant, would really speak with how I like to personally dress. So we went with something that I felt was...
Isa si Ann Cortez sa mga local celebrities na hinahangaan pagdating sa fashion. Lahat ng sinusuot nito ay nababagay sa kanya.
I felt was an iconic moment for me. It was my first comeback into the fashion industry when I did a trip with my Tiffany family. That's right. And that's where we decided to go with this look.
Tinatanong si Ann Cortez kung bakit may hawak na microphone ang kanyang wax figure at kung para saan ito. Ito ang kanyang sagot.
The mic, in my 27 years in the industry, I felt that a microphone has been such a powerful tool, and whether it be hosting...
Maliban sa pagsisimbolo ng pagiging host ni Ann Cortez lalo na sa programang It's Showtime, ay nagsisimbolo din ito sa kanyang pagkanta.
Or even doing concerts in the Araneta Coliseum. It has been such a powerful tool for me, so I felt like this really should be part of my wax figure.
Ipinakilala naman ni Ann Cortez sa kanyang Tatler family nang in-interview siya ang kanyang napakagandang wax figure.
Hi Tatler, it's Ann Cortez and I'm so happy to introduce to you my wax figure from Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong.
Si Ann Cortez pala ang kauna-unahang Filipina actress at TV host na nagkakaroon ng wax figure.
I'm truly honored to be given this opportunity to have a wax figure and the first Filipina actress and TV host to have one at Madame Tussauds. It's such a...
Napasayaw sa tuwa kasama ang kanyang parang kakambal na wax figure na kamukhang-kamukha niya habang sumasayaw ng Forever Young. Malaki ang pasasalamat ng kapamilya aktres na si Ann Cortez, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang pamilya na kasakasama niya kahit noong nag-umpisa pa lang siya.
You know, I'm just so happy and honored and grateful to all of my fans, my followers, my family in the industry who have been part of my career.